Just started investing? Here are 5 tips for making smart investments to achieve their financial goals. Start investing early. This way, you can leverage the power of compounding. Maintain financial discipline and invest consistently. Staying invested in the long run gives better returns. Diversify your portfolio by holding a variety of asset classes like mutual funds, gold, stocks, bonds, etc. Don't chase the highest returns. Investing is about meeting goals, which you can achieve over a period of time. Track your investments on a spreadsheet to gauge performance and review periodically. That's it. Follow these 5 tips and become a smart investor. Looking to open a Demat account? Get started with HDFC Bank's Demat Account. Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank's YouTube channel. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.